Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to today's Bitcoin update for 1st of October. The new month is upon us, and yesterday I actually made a music that had a copyright and I had to remove the Bitcoin video. Now in that video I actually explained that there could be chances of Bitcoin moving up to 20,500, but we actually went up to 20,186 and fall short a little bit of the $20,500. Now is there a chance to go back up? I don't think anytime soon. Now let's bring in the EMAs on the daily because we are finding huge resistance right there at the 10 and the 20. This is actually have been something that has restricted Bitcoin from moving higher and higher, and it has been a massive problem, of course. Now the question is, where do you go from here? How is October going to play out? Is October going to be green? Is it going to be red? We're going to talk about that one in a while. But before that, on the daily, you can see that we have a bearish spinning top right over here. Now, right off the bat, it's important to come back up and break the bearish spinning top at 20,166. And if you do break out of this area, then suppose that you might be breaking it out and back testing this line right here, and there could be chances of going up to this technical target right there. So from there to there, there's going to be a pattern right here, some sort of a curved rounded bottom right there, and from there if you break out, then you might be looking for $22,000 per Bitcoin, right? But at the moment, that's also depends if you break out of everything. Now this is just the daily time frame. I haven't been trading Bitcoin, I haven't been trading anything because the market is just not in a place, and a lot of people don't understand that not trading is also a part of trading. Okay, when you don't trade something, it's totally fine, it doesn't really matter, because you see, entering the market is really easy, but you have to enter when it's cool to enter. Now at the moment on the daily time frame, today's candle hasn't closed just yet, but if I actually start to count the body here, then you're really breaking out of it right now. Okay, so that's not a good sign. Okay, now you did have a very big resistance right over there and a little bit of an ascending triangle right here, if you want to say so, but the ascending triangle was looking to actually break to the upside, but unfortunately you made a fake out right over there, and it seems like you're ready to come down to $18,260 right now, and that's actually a technical target if you're looking to drop down below the ascending triangle, and it can get even a little bit worse right there. Now on the monthly, because we've closed September, let's see how you really close September right there. Let's remove all the drawings right here, and now here we are. So you do have some sort of a doji or some sort of a spinning top, if you want to put it that way. So this candle can have an influence on October, this one right over here. Now you want to put a stop loss down at 18,096. okay, this is where it's starting to build up, and this is where the crazy scenarios are starting to kick in, because I do see if Bitcoin start to come down at 18,096, that's where we're looking for that bear flag to play out. And this is a bear flag. You can see you've actually closed below the bear flag. Okay, it's a very clear one. I mean, if you try to zoom in right there and just pay attention to the smallest detail and take the trend line, try to draw the trend line, just notice how 3 times you were being supported. Support number 1, the body close right there. Support number 2, the body close right here. Support number 3 and the body close right there. Now this is a monthly closing we are talking about. This took 30 days to close, and what did you do instead? You closed below, and what was support is now a resistance. It's very simple support and resistance. It's a very simple bear flag, and why not? I mean, let's keep it simple. Let's not overcomplicate things. And the technical target does take you down to $8,500, and maybe in October, maybe in November, I don't know the time frame, but unless we're not coming up, unless I don't get invalidated, there's no guarantees. Though I'm always ready for this scenario. The best bullish scenario is that it somehow comes up and break every single bear flag, comes to 25,000, backtest 23,000, and there could be chances of moving back up to 29,000, which is another big resistance right over there. So at the moment, it is what it is. Let's see how Bitcoin plays out at the moment, and that's it. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.